Hey everyone, in today's Instagram story video, I want to show you how to use this Instagram templates that's built into the new Instagram update. And there are a bunch of different templates you could use as the background basically and add different elements on top of it like text, sticker, mention signs, and so on. I want to show you exactly how to use it in this video. Let me go ahead and exit here and go to my Instagram feed. And what you want to do is jump into Instagram story. So again, press your icon here, your profile icon, to jump into Instagram story. And we don't want to take a picture or anything like that. But on the bottom, you're in normal mode. You want to go to create mode. This update did roll out in October of 2019. So make sure you do update your Instagram app if you haven't. And once you're here, you have the text option right now. But if you go over to GIF and then go over one more time, you will get to Instagram templates, Instagram story templates. And they will probably change this layout. So look for this icon, the template icon. Let me show you a different way to change the color of it first. That's on the bottom corner. If you press that, you'll get a bunch of different colors you could choose from. So go ahead and go through all those to see all the available options. Let's choose this green one. Then on top, you have the dice option. That basically chooses at random different ones here that you have access to. Or you could just press in the middle of the page and it will change them one at a time. So I'm going to go through each one. Let's start with this one here, woke up like this. So what you want to do to use this as your template, again, after you change the colors, press the icon in the middle here with the 4 squares. Press that and it will basically take this as a snapshot as your background. Now you can't edit any of these elements. This is basically a background. But what you could do is you could tap and you could type in text here. And then you could go ahead and change the color of the text, change the font of the text, and then basically put it somewhere and then resize it. So that could be your template. Or let me go ahead and put this in the garbage can. You could go ahead and press the sticker icon and then go ahead and choose location, mention, hashtags, or even one of these emojis here, these GIFs, any of these things could be placed in the middle. You basically could decorate your Instagram story to really stand out with these templates. So let me X out of here to show you a different one here. It's going to take you back to the template page. And the next one is top 3 accounts to follow. This is really great to doing shout outs for other people. Again, I do have a complete Instagram course in the description if you want to learn more about making money and growing your Instagram. But let me go ahead and press the template icon again. And in this case, we want to put stickers and we want to do the @mention sticker. So if I wanted to promote another one of my channels here, I could do that. And then I could go ahead and put it to number 2, for example, and so on. And then let me go ahead and promote this channel that you're on right now on Instagram. And then I could go ahead and put that as number 1 and so on. So when you do post this, basically when someone clicks this, they could go to that Instagram profile and follow it. Let me X out of here, discard. Let's do another one. This one, pizza ranking. This one I'm not going to show you, but basically you'll just put text 1, 2, and 3 when you use this as a snapshot. Let's go to the next one. This track gets me, and this you will have the music sticker to do this for you. So let me go ahead and choose template and then choose the sticker option. And then if you have the music option as a sticker, in this account, I actually don't have it. So I would have to put text. But if you do have it, you could use this and put it right in the middle where people could see what you're listening to. Then you have quote of the day. Again, just put in text quote in the center here. And what am I watching? This is pretty useful for showing people what you're watching. Again, you could take the screenshot here and then you could put the @mention or hashtag. @mention is good. For example, I'm watching Ray Donovan right now on Showtime. I could put that here. And then where you could stream it, you could put Showtime, for example, as text and then bring that over here. And let me change the color to black so it's a little easier to read. And then you could go ahead and share this with your friends so they could go ahead and click that sticker to learn more about that show. So it's a great way to make promotional stickers here on Instagram story. And if you have the link option like I do on top, you could basically do an IGTV or a web link. Web link does require more than 10,000 followers at the time of this recording, but if you had that, you could basically send them to a very specific website. It's a very useful option for making money on Instagram and basically promoting different websites. But this does require 10,000 followers, unfortunately, at the time of this recording. Let me X out of here. And you have this one, what am I listening to? Again, you could do your music picks here. You could use the @mention sticker to promote these songs. And you have one more that I haven't gone through yet. This one here, you could do draw a challenge here and screenshot and draw a blank and you could put something there. And then you could have other people go ahead and use the pencil icon to draw something. So here, the pencil icon allows me to draw right here with different colors. So I'll choose black and draw something here. So you get the idea of using these templates. And I'm sure they're going to roll out a bunch more templates. I find these extremely useful for just creating a nice background on Instagram story to truly stand out from all the Instagram story posts that are out there. So I hope you could take advantage of it, and I hope you found this useful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for easy to follow social media videos, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.